better come quick. It's Lomy Bug, Lomy Bug. Let's all take a turn to play and learn with Lomy Bug. Hi everyone, I'm Lomy Bug. It's so nice to see you today. Would you like to join me in my classroom? Are you ready to play? Are you ready to learn? We're going to have so much fun. Let's go! Good morning, class. Welcome to school today. Does anyone have a hint at what we might be talking about in class today? Look around the classroom. It might have something to do with spring. Could it be butterflies? Hey, I have a butterfly on my shirt today. I do see your butterfly on your shirt. What a huge coincidence that was. Yes, we're going to be talking about butterflies. And we have a couple of art projects to do. But isn't the classroom just so colorful? We have a butterfly rug this morning, some spring decor, and I felt like wearing bright spring colors too. We're going to talk about a butterfly's life cycle. First, I have a little song about a caterpillar that turns into a butterfly. You can use your finger to creep along your forearm if you like. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar humps along, humps along, humps along. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar humps along, off to see the world. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar goes to sleep. Shh, goes to sleep. Shh, goes to sleep. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar goes to sleep. Shh, in a chrysalis. Now what happens? You can spread your arms out wide just like you had wings. Someday you will be a pretty butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Someday you will be a pretty butterfly, off to see the world. Did you all enjoy that song? I really like that song. Now here's the challenge. If you remember the verses in the song, why don't you all come over to this table and guess which order the butterfly's life cycle is? Okay, let's do this. We got this, guys. We're so smart. Okay, let's see. Well, I guess she said the fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar humps along. So could the fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar be first? Let's put the caterpillar first. What do you think, guys? That could be right, Lucy. Well, and then the song said the caterpillar goes to sleep. What would he sleep in? Oh yeah, a chrysalis. Could this be the chrysalis? Okay, let's put that over there. And then the chrysalis opens up and out comes a butterfly. Here's our butterfly. It looks like, oh yes, you're right. That is a monarch butterfly. Okay, so we have the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and the butterfly, but what about this? There's a leaf with some eggs. And are they baby caterpillars? Oh yes, that's what comes out of the eggs. I guess they could be baby caterpillars. Okay, so I would think the egg comes first then. Let's try this out. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Did we get it right, teacher? Of course you clever cats got it right. That is the life cycle of the butterfly. You could pretend to be a butterfly at home by hiding in a chrysalis and then slowly breaking out and spreading your wings to fly away on a beautiful spring day. Maybe we can have a look outside at recess and see if we can see any butterflies flying around on this beautiful day. Oh yeah, I would love to do that. I love trying to catch butterflies, but they're always too high for me. I agree. Butterflies are one of my favorite bugs. Well, how about we get into our first activity? We're going to be painting some butterflies. For inspiration, you can look at our butterfly rug today. Look at all the colors. Could be any color you choose. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to make a butterfly symmetrical. Symmetrical is when both sides are the same. So we're going to try it on a piece of paper and I'll show you how to do it, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a folded up piece of paper so it has a crease line in the middle, and then we open it up so it looks like an open book almost. And we're going to paint just half a butterfly on one side of the page, at ending at the crease. We don't want to go over the crease. We just want to paint half, and then we'll fold it back up and press it together gently before revealing the butterfly inside. It's supposed to make a symmetrical butterfly. Symmetrical means it's going to be the same on both sides. So hopefully our butterfly's wings will look pretty similar. We're gonna try I did not wash my brush very well. My wing already has black in it. Let's try some pink here. And we also need to make sure that the paint doesn't dry before we fold it. Otherwise, it won't transfer to the other side. Okay, now we're going to go in with some purple. I'm going to do a little purple on the top and a little purple on the bottom. Now I'm just going to quickly make a line in the middle for the black body. Now we're going to close it and very gently press together. You don't want to smash it, just want to gently push together and see. There's our butterfly with acrylic paint. Why don't you girls all try? Okay, well I did do mine with watercolor and you're right. It was drying really fast. Me too. Next time I'll use the acrylic paint like you, teacher. Mine was dripping off so fast and it was drying so fast, but I still thought it was really fun. I used acrylic paint. I really like the way it turned out. I'm going to do this at home too. Me too. Me too. I want to do this at home. I would love to see what you come up with at home. Remember, it doesn't just have to be a butterfly. You could try this with anything that you wanted to have a symmetrical picture. Oh yeah, great idea. Just like your colorful pictures, butterflies come in so many colors. The colors of the rainbow. Some of you did great at mixing. I don't think most of it was intentional, but some colors mixed together. Does anyone know what colors we could mix out of these colors to make a new color? Yeah, I think yellow and red make orange. I think you're right, Sasha. Let's try it out. Yellow and red make orange. You can see the orange in the middle where they're crossing over. Anyone else think of a different color we could mix? I think blue and red make purple. Okay, let's try blue and red. Let's see. Oh yes. I can see the purple in the middle where it's mixing. Does anyone else have a different one we could mix? How about yellow and blue? Okay, let's try yellow and blue. Yellow and blue make green. Whoa, everyone looks so blue suddenly. Lucy, you look blue, just like your dress. That's so silly. I'm going to try looking at yellow. Whoa, yellow friends at school today. I want to try orange. Whoa, look at that. Everything's so orange. It's like I'm living on the sun. Can I try? Whoa, this is so cool. I want to go and look outside with one of these at recess. I want to see what the trees look like, blue. I want to see the playground, bright red. That sounds like a fun idea. Of course you can take those outside at recess and look at the world around you. First we have one more activity. Here outside I collected some stems. I found some petals that had fallen on the ground. You can make any kind of picture out of nature. I love making nature pictures. You just need some glue and you might need some kid scissors. I thought we could try making some butterflies with the nature that I found outside. Remember to always ask before you pick. You don't want to take anyone's flowers from their garden. Once again, you can look around you for inspiration, even using the butterflies on the mat to look at the shapes of butterflies. First, you want to choose the pieces that you need to try to arrange what the picture will look like before you start gluing. going to try and pick similar pieces so I can make it symmetrical on both sides. Now I'm going to use some stem for the middle, and I thought this piece might be good for the top. So first, I'm going to get some glue. You can always ask for help gluing or cutting. If there's any pieces you don't want, you can just break them off with your fingers. Okay, and I was going to use some of this orange one. I'm going to break it off about there. Okay, I'm going to put this one. This one is going to go there. Where's my other one? Glue the back. Glue can also dry very fast too. So you might have to work fast with the glue. Okay, I'm going to use the top of this piece. See if I can fit it in there. This part, I'm just gonna glue onto the paper first. I need to put a little bit of glue on this one. What do you think? Maybe we could add a little bit of white. Have a couple of white, tiny little petals, which might look nice down the bottom. I really love how this is turning out. I can't wait to try. Oh, good. Remember, you can make anything. You could make a landscape picture. You can make a picture of your house. Anything, and using nature to create art is a beautiful thing. What do you think of that? I guess when it dries, you could draw some little eyes on the butterfly. This is something that you can really take your time with as well. So much art today. It was really fun. Art is a great way to express yourself. Now, are we ready to spread our wings and go out into the world? Yes, we are. I haven't seen a butterfly yet, but I do see this ladybug. I want to make this ladybug purple. No butterflies down here. I want to see what these rocks look like orange. Wow, the blue sky looks blue still. How about if I look at these leaves? Now the leaves are blue.
Well, that's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed playing and learning with me. What did you learn today? Now pretend you have some Lomy Bug wings and fly on over to the next Lomy Bug episode. I'll see you there. Lomy Bug out. Bye.